In this guide, you'll learn how to use Add Member Tag feature in WhatsApp group. Let's get started. WhatsApp has introduced a fantastic new feature that makes managing group chat much easier, the Add Member Tag feature. This allows you to label people in your groups with custom names or roles, helping everyone quickly identify who is who. First, launch WhatsApp, navigate to the group chat. Now, at the very top, you're going to find the group name, click on that. Now, scroll down, find this section of members. Look for the Add Member Tag button next to your profile. If you don't see this option, make sure to update WhatsApp to the latest version as the feature is being rolled out gradually. Tap on Add Member Tag and enter the tag you want to use. This could be something like a role, department, or any identifier that makes sense for your group. Once you type in that, click on Save. Now your member tag is active and will display under your name for everyone in the group to see. Just remember, not everyone has access to this feature yet, as it's being rolled out gradually. And that's it. This guide helped you out. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.